wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best silverware trays. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're short on storage space, consider the Joseph 85119, a budget-friendly selection with a compact design that features 5 stacked compartments for storing a full cutlery set without taking up an entire drawer. It's perfect for RVs and comes with rubber feet for stability, however it must be washed by hand. At number 9, designed to be a step up from typical plastic options, the durable and attractive Bino organizer is offered in bright aqua or 2 shades of grey. Each section is outfitted with removable padding to protect your utensils and make cleaning easier. It's BPA and phthalate free and priced right for tight budgets, but it is too shallow for some. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Silverware dock perfectly was made for those with particular organizational needs who also want something quiet. The peaked compartments keep everything stacked separately and offer quick and easy retrieval with minimal noise. The design stops cutlery from shifting and it can accommodate a lot. However, the knife section is flat. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for silverware trays, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you like the idea of an expandable organizer but prefer metal to plastic or wood, the wugeshop kitchen would be a good choice. It offers an array of various size compartments to hold flatware, cooking utensils, and other small kitchen accessories. It comes with 2 standalone baskets and a rust-resistant coating, and it doesn't collect debris. Moving up our list to number 6. Simple and straightforward, the Dial Industries sliding uses a clever 2-tray design to help you make the most of limited space. The neutral white color blends in well with most decors, and its 9 handy compartments can accommodate large and small cutlery. It's manufactured in the United States, and the top tray comes off if required. It's good for organizing junk drawers. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Mindspace Mesh Collection is offered in 4, 5 and 6 compartment variations. While it's ideal for organizing knives and forks, it can be used for holding office supplies and other household accessories too. It's also available in black and has a smooth ABS coating, along with ample width in each section. At number 4, the bambusi divider is functional and attractive, with sides that can be pulled out to increase the number of compartments from 5 to 7. It works well in a drawer, but also looks elegant enough to be left on the counter during a dinner party. It's made of eco-friendly materials and includes 2 removable knife blocks. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The OXO Good Grips White can expand from just over 15 inches wide to 22 inches. This versatile model can hold 2 sets of flatware in 5 sections, allowing you to store enough to serve numerous guests. It comes with easy-to-adjust dividers and is ideal for large families. There are 2 size options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for silverware trays, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, coming in a black and grey color block design, the Made Smart Classic should blend in with many kitchen decor schemes. Simple and functional, it sports 1 extra wide slot that can accommodate bottle openers, corkscrews, and other gadgets with somewhat odd shapes. It's labeled for each utensil and equipped with a soft rubber lining and rounded corners for easy cleaning. And coming in at number 1 on our list, when it comes to storing kitchen utensils, the Pristine bamboo holder is a jack of all trades. This large expandable model can be configured in multiple ways and boasts slots that are nearly 3 inches deep, along with durable silicone feet to keep it from moving around. The expandable sides lock into place and is made from quality Moso bamboo that won't absorb moisture. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for silverware trays, or simply click beneath this video.